Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Otter AI sync problems in 2026. If your recordings, transcripts, or meeting notes aren't syncing properly across your devices, this guide will walk you through the troubleshooting steps. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Otter AI account. Make sure you're using the same account on every device where you expect your conversations to sync. Next, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can prevent Otter AI from uploading recordings or syncing transcripts to your account. Now refresh the Otter AI dashboard and wait a few moments. Sometimes syncing takes a little longer, especially after uploading large audio files or long meeting recordings. Next, confirm that your recording or transcript has finished processing. If the conversation is still being processed, it may not appear on your other devices until it's complete. If you're using the mobile app, close it completely and open it again. You can also sign out of your account and sign back in to refresh your synced data. Now check if you're using the latest version of the Otter AI app or your web browser. Updating your software can resolve common syncing issues. Finally, if the problem continues, contact Otter AI support and provide details about the missing recordings or sync issue so they can investigate your account. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Otter AI sync problems step by step. Your recordings and transcripts should now sync properly across all your devices. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.